Vermont is more than a state, it's home. From the beauty of the trees, to the people that reside here, to the mountains and the forests, Vermont is always the same. I know that it will always be there for me. There have been dark points in my life. I found out that I had clinical depression and anxiety in 8th grade. The same year I wrote a troubling note. I thought about ending my life. But even in my darkest points, Vermont has been the comfort I didn't know I needed. It has brought me out of my lowest and grim moments. I'm forever grateful to live in this beautiful place. I'm ever grateful to the people that have always been there for me, and I would never change that for the world. Vermont saved my life. Even when the world seems dark, I look up at the sky and I know everything will be alright. I learned that from you, my family, my friends, my teachers and leaders. Thank you, Vermont.